I've got a challenge for you. Will you accept? Do a quick drawing or painting in 30 minutes at most. It will do wonders for your artistic skills, and here's why. Creating in such time restraints helps you sift through the information and focus on what's really important. Often, when painting from observation, we get bombarded by the thousands of little details and textures. This is a painter's trap, so you must learn to avoid it. By painting quickly, you don't have time to stress about the details, so you learn to ignore them. What's more, you develop the habit of working on the entire composition, moving every area of the painting in unison, which is far better. Focus on the big shapes and values instead of details and colors. To help with this, use only large brushes and avoid the small, finer ones. This will help you move quickly. As you do, your observational skills will sharpen and your senses will heighten. This is not easy to achieve at first, but you must commit 100% to this exercise. Convince yourself that your life depends on it, and your painting must be done at the end of 30 minutes or else. When you fail and make mistakes, don't worry or stress about them, just keep moving forward like a soldier in the front lines, charging at the enemy no matter what's thrown at them. Be relentless in your pursuit. Do not cower and hide in a foxhole, but move forward with intention and purpose towards your goal. When you do, you will discover that you are braver than you thought. And with practice, your work and your confidence will begin to grow. This is my 30-minute painting challenge. Are you ready for yours? Please comment below and share. Email your photos to pinguliart@gmail.com for some positive feedback.